SDS Outdoors here with some close range ridiculousness, 50 caliber, you know. I want you all to hear this.
Gentlemen, arm the torpedoes!
We're like 4 feet away. Let's get it.
Fun times. Woo! I believe I hit the bottom.
Nice.
Oh, it ripped the whole side of the block.
Okay. And that's why you don't want to get hit with the 50 Beowulf. Destroyed it. We actually put a piece of the table into the gel.
Oh,
There's a jacket all through there.
Jacket, yep.
It came right out the
came out
bottom
the
here.
side.
and we broke the table.
It came out right through here.
Oh, yeah, there. That's where we ended up hitting.
So I must have been real low on that.
Ha.